Hi everyone, I'm Tony, this is Filled to Flame, and today we'll be making these smoked venison smash burgers. Now this is absolutely one of my favorite ways to do smash burgers. It takes two of the things I love, smoked foods, smash burgers, brings them together all in one. Super easy to make, doesn't take much time, and it's topped with this amazing burger sauce that we have. So let's start cooking. We're gonna start by taking our ground venison. We're gonna make our patties. We're gonna run them about 3.5 ounces. I think that makes a nice burger size. Better scale here. That's 3.7. There we go. Do this a couple times. We're just gonna pack these. Nothing too crazy. We don't want to overwork the meat. Now we're gonna take these out to our smoker. Our smoker's going at 200 degrees. We're gonna get these burgers placed on there. Indirect heat. We're gonna let these smoke for half an hour. While the burgers are smoking, we're gonna work on our sauce. Now the full recipe for all this is down in the description. We're going in with about 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, a couple teaspoons of ketchup, salt, pepper, a little dash of Dijon mustard, not a whole lot of that, some sweet relish, a little bit of apple cider vinegar for sweetness and tartness, and to finish it off, a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to mix this up. We're going to set this aside in the fridge and let it all come together and marry while those burgers are smoking. Alright, our burgers have been smoked. They got a nice smoke ring on them. We're going to set these aside and let them cool for like 15 minutes tops. Just while the flat top heats up, and we're going to work on slicing our onions and getting everything ready, and I'll meet you guys out at the flat top. We're going to place our burgers down on the flat top and give these just a couple seconds to get a sear on the outside. Now we're going down with some onions as well. Going to cook these up and get them nice and caramelized. Then, beautiful, beautiful crust. We're going to give this a smash, even pressure down. Beautiful. We'll do that to the rest. Now we're going to season. Now we're going to give them a flip. Go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to also toast our buns. And we're going to finish these things off. Top each burger with a little bit of our caramelized onions. A slice of American cheese. We're going to let that melt, and we're going to head inside and finish assembling. Now let's assemble. We got our bun. I'm going to go down with some of our sauce. A little bit more than that. There we go. We're going to double patty these. Boom. Just like that. Crown it. Oh, look at that. Now that's a burger. Alright, let's dive in. Oh my goodness. It is so, so good. I'm a mess probably. But anyways. Perfect amount of smoke. Not over smoked. Nice crispy exterior from the smash burger. The caramelized onions blend so well with venison. Sweetness. You get the sauce in there that rounds it all out. It's amazing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We have tons of other videos and new stuff coming out. You can also check us out on Facebook at TaggedOut. You can also check out our website, shop TaggedOut.com, and pick yourself up some Tagged Out gear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.